If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x equals to x square minus p under bracket x plus 1 minus c, we will have to show that alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 that equals to 1 minus c. Start करते हैं. तो we have p of x is x square minus p under bracket x plus 1 minus c. First of all, we have to convert the given expression into quadratic equation, right? And that will be done by x square and minus px and minus p minus c, right? So this will be x square and minus px and minus under bracket we can write c plus p or p plus c. Okay, so this is the quadratic polynomial we have. So here the value of a, that means the coefficient of x square is 1. The value of x, that is value of b, that is coefficient of x, that is minus p, and constant term is obviously minus under bracket c plus p. So what is given as left hand side in the question, that is alpha plus 1, and this one is beta plus 1. So first of all, we will break this bracket, and that will be done by alpha beta. This is alpha beta, and plus alpha, and plus beta, and plus 1. So this is alpha beta, that is in fact a product of the zeros, alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros, and plus 1. So alpha beta is minus b upon a, and alpha plus beta is c upon a. So here we will write alpha plus beta, that equals to minus b by a, and b is obviously here minus p, so minus under bracket minus p, so this will be p, and alpha into beta is c upon a, that means minus under bracket c plus p upon the value of a is 1 here. So alpha plus beta is p, that is minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is c upon a, that is minus under bracket c plus p, because the value of a is 1 here, right? So now we will substitute these two values over here. So alpha plus beta is p, and this is minus under bracket c plus p and plus 1. Okay. So this equals to p and minus c minus p and plus 1. These two part will be cancelled. So what we will get here is minus c plus 1, and that can be written as 1 minus c. So left hand side was alpha plus beta and beta plus 1, alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. I mean product of alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1, and ultimately we got 1 minus c as right hand side, and this was the condition जो हमें prove करना था. That's it. So this is a very simple question. So simply what we have to do is we will have to convert the given expression into quadratic polynomial, and then simply by finding alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, and ultimately we will substitute these two values in the given expression, I mean in left hand side, and thus we will get a right hand side part of the expression.